ChatGPT is one of the most trending topics right now. It was released in November 2022 and gained 1 million users in just 5 days. In comparison, it took Netflix 3.5 years and Instagram 2.5 months to get the same number of users. Hello everyone, my name is BAHAUDDIN and I am super excited to be bringing you. In this video, you are going to learn about what is ChatGPT and how it works and how you can use it. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI that can generate text. You can use it to create content for your website, write articles, emails, tweets, cover letter, and you can use it to generate code in a number of different programming languages and can generate human-like responses and provide answers to questions. Most importantly, can help you improve your productivity and get more things done in less time. So stay tuned for that. But first, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and smash the bell icon so you never miss a video. So head over to chat.openai.com. If you don't have an account, sign up. After you put in your information, verify your phone number in your email. Once you have logged in, you are going to see the main screen with an input box. To talk to ChatGPT, there is also a Chrome extension available if you don't want to use web interface. It will put the links down below in this video. Alright, so let's jump into it. If you will notice that it gives a few examples here that can hit and it will put the input box down below here and this is the button to send that prompt to get the answer. It lists a couple of capabilities and some limitations, but this is the very basic setup for the power that it has. So let's just type in my first example to do this. All you have to do is type whatever you want. So I'm just going to type in here my first question: how do I become a front-end developer? So now ChatGPT is saying that to become a front-end developer, you need to know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, CSS framework, Bootstrap, and JavaScript libraries, jQuery, React, Vue.js. Let's say you want to start a business. You can have ChatGPT generate app or website name for you. For example, we can say, I want to make a revolutionary online shopping app. Give me some good app name. Hit enter. Some ChatGPT suggest name like Shop is, Quick Cart, Next Cart, Express Buy, Snapshot, and so on. I think this is pretty good. Now you have used this tool before. Let us know in the comment below what interesting question you have asked so we can all learn, inspiring each other. Now if you are applying for a job, there are a number of ways ChatGPT can help you. For example, you can have it write a resume for you. Here we can say, I have 3 years of experience coding in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Write a resume for me. Hit enter. Of course, We can give more details, education label, our past project, so on. Alright, take a look. Create a basic layout. Summary, education, skills, and already list all the web technologies. So we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We don't mention any of these, but it assumes that we have these skills. Again, it's a great starting point. If you are a front-end developer, you can ask to generate some HTML markup for you. For example, we can say, write the HTML and CSS for displaying a card. Alright, take a look. We have the markup. Here we have a div. Write the class of card. We have an image. This we have the card title and card description. Really good. And right below that we have all the CSS we need to display a beautiful card. Of course, we probably need to customize this, but again, this is a great starting point now. Alright, so it's pretty clear that ChatGPT can take your productivity to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. And I will see you in the next video.